Summer is almost here, and that means it's almost time for the Camas Public Library's Summer Reading Program. It's really easy to participate. All you have to do is track your reading and get prizes. There are two ways you can participate. You can track your reading by coming into the library and picking up a paper tracker, or you can use the Beanstack Tracker app. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Beanstack Tracker app. First, you can visit camaslibrary.beanstack.org, and this is the homepage you'll see. You can see there are 3 steps of how it works. First, you're going to create an account for yourself or your family member from this website, or you can download the Beanstack Tracker app on your phone or device. The second is you're going to log your reading and activities, and you can earn badges. For every 10 days you read, you can come into the library and pick up a prize. When you've read for 40 days, you've finished the program. It's up to you how much you read each day. So the first step is to create an account. So I'm going to scroll down to the page here. You see 2 options. You can register as an individual or register a family member, or if you already have an account, you can sign in directly. For this training video, I am going to register as an individual or family. Next, you are asked if you have previously used Beanstack to participate in a reading challenge. For this video, I am going to say no. Next, you are asked if you would like to register just yourself, or if you're an adult registering a child. For this example, I'm going to select I'm an adult registering a child. Here, you will fill out information about yourself and the reader's information, the child's name. Once you have filled in all your information, you will hit the next button. And you've got your first badge unlock, and that is registering for the summer reading program at the Camas Library. On this page, you'll learn more about the summer reading program. You'll learn about how it works. Again, there'll be links to our game boards that you can also use. And you'll learn about the prize Nook hours. So for every 10 days of reading you complete, you can come into the library and get prizes. There are specific times of the day where you can come in to pick up your prize. On this page, you will learn about all these times. And most importantly, in the top left corner, you will see a button called Log Reading. If I click on that, click on Log Days, and then you can select the dates that you have been reading. And then click Log Reading. As you log your reading, you will start to unlock badges. For example, you'll get a badge when you log 5 days, and then you'll get a badge when you log 10 days. This is when you can come in and get your first prize. This keeps going until you get to 40 days when you finish the program. We're really excited to start the summer reading program and can't wait for you to read this summer and come into the library, get prizes, and also learn about all the fun events we've got planned this summer. If you have any questions about using the Beanstack Tracker app, feel free to reach out to the library to ask for help. Thanks, and I'll see you this summer.